Hi, I'm Molly from Restorology, and today we're going to take a second look at how Matterport can help better prepare loss reports. Last time we looked at the tool inside our own production facility. This time we're going to look at the tool inside an actual residence. After you press play, it takes you into the space, first from a zoomed out view, and then finally to the classic room view. The circles on the floor and throughout the home represent different positions the viewer can move. These circles help the viewer navigate easily so they can capture what they need in the space. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see a couple of different viewing options. The dollhouse view, which shows a zoomed out 3D image of the home, just like a dollhouse, as well as any exterior images. There's also the floor plan view, a floor selector, which allows you to select individual floors or all of the floors. And there's also measurement mode, which allows you to measure just about anything inside the home. Additional features also are available, including image labeling and tagging to highlight rooms and other specific areas of interest, and a floor plan generator that can be used in programs like Xactimate. We use the tool as an extra level of accountability, so contractors and adjusters have another easy way to verify inventories from our packouts. If you have questions about Matterport, please leave them below. And if you currently use Matterport, we would love to hear about your experience using the tool. We'd love to hear how it's improved your processes, how it's made your job easier, how it's helped reassure clients and adjusters. Whatever your feedback is, we would absolutely love to hear from you.